Welcome back everyone. I am back with another mouth-watering creamy mushroom soup recipe. This recipe is a treat to yourself, friends and your family. As you know, mushrooms are packed with flu-fighting properties, helping our body fight infections. So let's start cooking. For this recipe, we'll need a tablespoon of oil. For rich creamy flavor, we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter is melted, we'll add chopped garlic and diced onions. Sauté them until they are light golden. Then add sliced mushrooms and cook them until they are soft. You can see mushrooms are slightly brown in color and soft now. So at this stage, we'll add salt and black pepper. Give it a good mix and add 3 cups of vegetable or chicken stock to it. Do not add all the stock at the same time. Keep around a cup of stock remaining and add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to avoid formation of lumps. Add around half cup of white wine to the soup. Adding wine simply adds a brightness and enhances the flavor of mushrooms, so don't hesitate to add it to your soup. Add some fresh thyme and simmer it for 10 minutes. Remove any remains from the thyme and we'll puree half of the cooked mushrooms to give it a creamy flavor and thick consistency. Add the puree back into the pot and add half cup of heavy cream. Give it a mix and add the last ingredient to the soup, that is freshly chopped cilantro. Our soup is ready. As you can see, the consistency is not too runny or thick. Adjust the consistency if it is too thick by adding some more stock, and our soup is ready to be served. Enjoy your soup with freshly toasted garlic bread. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, please share this video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.